So we're gonna play a game. These are the rules.
Okay.
Don't laugh. Don't pull away.
Got it. Easy.
If you fell,
Yeah.
simple, I win. I know it's brutal.
Pretty brutal. But simple.
Very simple. Okay, ready?
Easy. Let's go.
Okay, you ready?
You ready?
Uh-huh. Ah! Stop! I can't take it! Stop!
Soft, sweet? No. This thing is pure betrayal.
These toes are snitches. Okay, ready?
I think so.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh
It's
god.
crazy.
I'm even tickling. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's see what you can do.
Oh my god, I can't take it. Okay, stop. Okay, I know this looks really harmless, but you're wrong. It's gonna be an instant meltdown.
Oh my god. Like 1,000 ninja bristles attacking my feet.
All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Oh my god, I don't know. The vibration's crazy. Ah!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's crazy.
Okay, you lost.
Game over. Nobody survives this.
And it's definitely not cleaning teeth. Cleaning out your pride. The feather, sneaky.
Oh my god.
Brush, chaos.
Yeah.
Toothbrush. That was total destruction.
So bad. Oh my god. Absolutely brutal. You broke in seconds.
I did? No, you
So
did
fast.
too.
So fast.
Oh my god.
You have to try it.
Okay.
It was so much fun.
Okay, let's find something else.
Okay. We gotta find more
What
stuff.
are we gonna do?
What else?
I don't know. Let's go find something.
Your turn. Feather, brush, or toothbrush? Which one's gonna destroy you first? Comment below.
Comment below. If you love creative foot content, FeetFinder is where it pays off. The link is in the description.
Like, subscribe, and tag a friend. I bet you they won't last 30 seconds either.
Or maybe they will.
Mm.